Good morning guys! Tingnan niyo itong ginawa ni Dan. Naka-prepare na lahat ng baonan. Yung tumbler ko, yung tumbler niya. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Seriously, do not know. And then, ito din. Naka-prepare na. Yung tumbler niya. That's for his coffee. That's gonna be his coffee. Kasi hindi na ako umiinom nito. So instead of using his coffee pods, ito na lang yung gamit niya lagi para maupo siya. And, yeah. And this is ready as well for the smoothie kasi nasira nga yung isa. But yeah, I'm just gonna get ready guys. Have my coffee and then smoothie. Ito yung baon namin. Niluto namin to. Binake ko to kagabi. Kaya lang hindi namin siya nakain kasi gabi na kami umuwi galing kinakat. So parang doon na din yung dinner namin. Nagpalit na naman ako ng top guys. Yan yung nangyayari araw-araw. Papalit-palit. I'm just wearing this top that I got from Temp. And then this skirt that I got from Dottie, yung $6 lang, $5.95. And yeah, perfect. I need more tops like this, na parang top lang siya, pero you can get away of wearing it to work kasi parang meron siyang rib. Yes. And are you ready, babe? Almost there. I will bring my glasses and my contact case kasi I feel weird. My eyes feel weird. Naubos na yung ano ko. Hindi naman naubos, pero lahat ng red mug ko nasa dishwasher. Kaya, yung magnidan yung gamit ko. Well, there's no such thing as magnidan. Or like, ito lang talaga yung lagi yung ginagamit. Kaya para sa kanya na to. Yung sa akin yung red lagi. And, our smoothie is ready. Yung nandito is strawberry, banana. Hello, babe! I forgot to add spinach! Okay. Strawberry, banana, at saka almond milk and ice. Yun lang, nakalimutan ko yung spinach. Ano ba yan? Yung baked na ano, nilagyan ko ng spinach kahapon. Okay lang, babe. We still have spinach on our... Here. Yeah. Hello, vitamin C, babe. Off to work we go. Parang may sakit sa Dan. You sick, babe?
What's that?
You sick? You okay?
Yeah. What do you mean?
Sorry?
Is Manny just talking?
No, I said, are you sick?
No.
Not music. You okay?
Yeah. I've been picking my nose a bit, babe. Just take that off.
Are we taking the shortcut, babe?
Yeah.
No, the steep, the one-way road.
Maybe, we'll see.
Sige, I'll show them.
If I remember how to get to it.
Oh, you don't remember?
Not exactly.
Ah, okay. We've been there a couple times.
Hey, do you remember how to get there?
No.
Okay.
How will I remember? I don't remember a thing. When it comes to direction, it's just like, no matter. I don't know, left, right, straight, I don't care. We will get there. Hello, the bus. Where are you going, bus? Oh, he's going there.
I got there.
Wala pang lipstick. Yung lipstick na gagamitin ko is the same, yung Kami. Tatapusin ko muna i-chew yung aking vitamin C. It makes my tongue orange. How's your coffee?
Good.
Good. Did you, is the lid tight?
Yeah.
Kailangan ko ng maraming ganito na top, oh. Nakuha ko to from Temp, eh. Sana meron pa sila. I don't think meron pa. Pero, sana, pagbalik ko. I will go back this Friday. Kikitain si Mia, si Rosaline, at saka si Lyra, hopefully. And then, that's gonna be dinner as well. So, I'm gonna be in my work clothes.
That's alright.
Yeah, that's alright. I don't mind. They will pick me up at 6, 7? 6? Sige. Ito yung shortcut na Dan. Diba? Parang ano, driveway lang. Merong car na ano, nasa nauna, tapos meron din sa likod namin. So parang marami talaga yung dumadaan dito. This is their shortcut. CX5, babe. Tapos meron pa. Is that it, babe?
That's it.
Oh. Hello! Nandito kami sa warehouse ni Marco, yung caterer namin. Wait, I need to go out and I'm wearing a short skirt. So, is he there? Is he there, babe? No? Where is he? Wala siya dito. How can we pay? Kailangan namin magbayad. Wala siya dyan, si Marco. Tingnan nyo ang driveway ni Marco. Ang, what do you call that? Super tight. It's parang halfway. Di one way. Halfway. What are you doing, babe? Diary. Updating diary. Call Marco tomorrow. He's fixing it. Oh, what do you mean? Do you have those in the Philippines?
Traffic lights.
We have traffic lights. Of course we have traffic lights. We're good, you know. Sometimes they don't work. Actually, most of the time they don't work. But we have them, babe. Yan yung dahilan kung bakit na-aksidente si Marlon kasi yung traffic light super not working. Kainis. It was not working. It was just dead. Hala, I like that car. What car is that?
That's an ambulance.
No! It looks like a mini, but it's not a mini. We will get wine? We will get wine kasi darating ang mama niya at ang stepdad niya tonight. I will cook chopseuy and I'm excited for chopseuy actually, babe, to bring it to work tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm gonna be like, look at me everybody, I cooked this. Look at me everybody, I'm eating healthy, I'm eating vegetables. Look at me. So I already had coffee this morning before I left. Tapos nag-coffee pa ako dun. And then, di pa nga ubos yung coffee ko. Dumating tong babae, nagbigay ng Red Bull. Nakakaloka. Free Red Bull! How can you say no? So, yung ano ko, utak ko, wala. Sobrang active na active. Hala, babe, someone's calling you.
Yeah.
Hello, Daniel speaking.
Hi, Scott.
Bibili sila ng wine. Sabi ko sa kanya, bumili ka ng something na feeling mo magugustuhan ko. Hello, babe, so cheap. Oh, $5.
Shit, you get drunk.
Mascaro. Ting mascaro. Mura lang. Everyday, $5 lang. Cute nito, babe. Oh. Yellow Glen. That's a really cute one. Still going. May nagpipipipipip. Wait, babe, there's people, babe. See that? Ito yung binili namin. Ano siya? Yellow Glen. Kasi ang ganda niya tingnan. Pink mascara. I remember someone said na dapat mascara yung itry ko kasi daw sweet. So I'll try it tonight. I don't think magugustuhan ko siya. Kapag alcohol parang pumapasok siya sa utak ko. Alcohol yan. Di mo yan magugustuhan. Why? That guy's going. Well, he's out, basically. Pretty much out. Okay. Nope. We're first, miss.
Alright, thank you later as well.
Ipe-prepare ko na yung ingredients ng chopseuy, guys. Kahit 5:30 pa naman. I-ano ko lang siya, ipe-prepare ko lang siya para, you know, ready na lahat. 7:30 yung dating nila kasi may appointment, doctor appointment pa yung stepdad na Dan. So, nandito na lahat na kailangan kong i-chop. And yeah, I will do that. And then I'll show you guys later. Kasi merong mga nag-comment na gusto nila makita kung paano ko yung ingredients, like, you know, the recipe and how to cook it. Inano ko siya, tinignan ko siya sa Panlasang Pinoy. Pero hindi ko nasunod lahat kasi wala ako lahat ng ingredients. And masarap naman siya kahit wala ako lahat ng ingredients. So, I will show you guys how I cook it. Tatapusin ko siya i-chop lahat and then I'll show you. And I'm wearing this dress pala na I got from Kmart. $5 na lang siya from 20. It's very comfy. I like it. Okay, so ito na. We have onion, garlic, tapos cauliflower, cabbage, chicken. Meron ditong carrots at saka capsicum. And then chicken stock. Kailangan mo rin ng salt and pepper. So yung gagamitin ko is yung wok. Kasi maraming lulutuin ko today. Usually yung ano lang namin yung regular pan. Kaya lang marami to. Yung isang cauliflower nga inubos ko yung isa talaga. So yung gagawin una is isosote yung garlic tapos onion and then lulutuin yung chicken and then I think i-add yung chicken stock. Sa Panlasang Pinoy parang 1 cup lang siya. Pero since marami to, marami yung gagamitin ko. And yeah, yun yung sabaw. Tapos kailangan mo pala ng flour tsaka tubig. Like, i-ano mo yung, i-melt mo yung, na i-melt. Parang, basta ilalagay mo yung flour sa tubig before mo siya ilagay sa, dito. Mamaya, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ilagay ko na yung chicken. Hintayin natin na at least, like, sobrang lapit na niya maluto. And then after that, we will proceed sa next step, which is paglagay ng chicken stock. Yung sa panlasang Pinoy, meron siyang shrimp bouillon. Yung parang, ang batawag doon? Cubes, shrimp cubes, something, or chicken cubes. Basta, iba yung sa kanya, iba yung, ito yung ginagawa ko. Pangatlong beses ko na ito lulutuin, and yung ginagamit ko lang is chicken stock. Last time nga, beef stock yung ginamit ko kasi wala kami chicken stock. So, kung ano lang meron kayo. Okay naman siya. Alright, babe, do you like this?
I do.
And Dan vacuumed today.
I did a very good job.
He didn't really do it.
I did a very good job.
But he did it. Thank you. Na-add ko na yung cauliflower at saka cabbage. And then siguro after 2 minutes, i-add ko yung capsicum at saka carrots. Ito. And then after that, ilalagay ko last step actually. Ilalagay ko ito. Yung merong flour tapos tubig. Para maging medyo malapot yung... Malapot ba? Tama ba yung term ko? Yung ating sauce. Paiya. Lapit na tayo matapos, guys. Okay na. Ititaste lang na Dan. Are you sure you're gonna use that?
Yeah.
Nandito na sila. Perfect kasi okay na. Power! Port power. Nakakaloka. Lahat na lang power. Yung shorts niya din power. Hi! How are you? Good.
Good timing.
Yeah.
Yeah. The acrylic made it noise and it's really bad.
Yeah.
But people were just random. But those were just more straight away.
Yeah, she told me SMS, so it
Was it SMS?
SMS, yeah, it's just powder.
That's like,
What?
you know, a bit of bondage, isn't it? It's alright, I'm only being smutty. She's used to it anyway. I don't know what she was talking about, but yeah.
Kakaalis lang nila. They love it. They love the food. Yay! Sabi ko sa kanila, kapag meron na naman ako natutunan, i-invite na namin sila sa dinner. Pinakita niya sa akin yung eyelash extension niya. It's fine. Magkikita kami ulit on Friday, and if okay pa din siya on Friday, then I will get it done. Same person na pinagawa niya yung eyelashes niya. Actually, it looks natural. Natural looking and longer. So, I don't mind getting it done. As long as ngayong Friday, kung okay pa rin yung lashes niya. Sobrang bait naman na done. And then, di ko alam kung ano pa yung masarap na... Siguro minudo, guys, no? Minudo. Hindi ko pa na-try yun eh. Lulutuin ko kaya yun one time. Minudo. Di ba pork yun? Yeah, gusto kong gawin yun. Or yung chicken na parang... Yung chicken na parang orange yung sauce niya. Not orange, parang... You know, ano yun? Menudo ba yun? Kasi ba yung adobo brown yung sauce? Yung chicken siya, na orange yung sauce niya, isa yun sa mga lagi kong binibili eh, nung sa college pa ako. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong tawag ko sa kanya. Like, you know, ng college, pupunta ka sa karinderya, i-open mo yung mga, kaldero ba yun? Yeah, tapos sabi mo, yan yung akin, isa niyan. Gusto ko yung drumstick, ganun. Yun. Gusto ko yung lutuin. I just need to find kung ano yung pangalan nun. And gusto ko yung lutuin next time. Meron pa kaming maraming natara na chopseuy. Babaunin ko yan bukas. It's good the next day, guys. Para lang siyang yung baked capsicum na baon ko kanina. It's better the next day than eating it right after siya matapos ma-bake. Mas prefer ni Dan na, like, you know, ano siya, nakaset pa siya before kainin, yung capsicum na baked capsicum. That's good as well. Pero iba talaga kapag Filipino food na may rice. Iba talaga. And yung Moscato din, actually, it's good. I usually do not like alcohol at all. Aside from beer. I drink beer. Sobrang minsan lang. Pero hindi din ako nakakaubos ng isang, like, you know, isang, ano tawag doon? Isang bottle na isang inuman. Like, laging si Dan yung umubos ng beer ko. But the Moscato, I finished one glass. Like, itong glass na to. Na-finish ko siya kanina. It's good. Sabi ko kay Dan, bumili ka ng ganyan sa wedding. Kasi, I will drink that. It's sweet. So, kayo, kung hindi kayo umiinom, marami actually nag-comment na itry mo yan, Moscato. And yun, na-try ko siya. First time ko siya na-try ngayon. I honestly don't think I will like it. Kasi nga, kapag alam ko na alcohol, parang yung utak ko sasabihin, hindi mo yung magustuhan kasi it's alcohol, but I like it. So, I'm gonna wash the dishes. I mean, no, not all. Ilalagay ko lang sa dishwasher yung mga kailangan lagay sa dishwasher. Tapos yung rice cooker. Ano siya? I-wash ko siya.
Hugasan ko siya. And then, magluluto ako ng rice para dalhin ko sa lunch bukas. And, yun. Yun yung ganap. I'll talk to you guys later. I'll just close my vlog, babe. I'll close my vlog, guys. Basahin mo ko kasi kakatanggal ko lang ng mask ko. Manonood kami ng Married at First Sight. Buti na lang meron sila sa website, 9now.com.au. Dito namin pinapanood kasi na-miss ko na last 4 episodes, is it, babe? Including tonight. And yeah, kasi we got back from Melbourne on Monday. So obviously, nung Sunday na yun, hindi namin siya napanood because we were in Melbourne. And then Monday, hindi ko din siya napanood because pagod na ako. And Tuesday and Wednesday. And then now it's Monday. Oh, that's 5, I think. Yeah. Anyway, we will watch. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget to be goodbye.